Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to restore data from broken phone. First method involves restoring from iTunes backup. Connect your any iPhone to your iTunes and select the backup that you have made from your broken phone in the past. Once you have restored all of your old backup data on your new phone, then you can easily access all of the data that you have lost from your broken phone. Method number 2 involves iCloud. In order to get all of the data from your old broken phone, first of all you have to factory reset your current phone. While setting your new phone, you have to select the option Restore from iCloud and then sign in with the same Apple ID that you have used to use on your old broken iPhone. That way you can restore all of your data from your old broken iPhone onto your new phone. The third method involves a software which is called Phone Rescue. All you have to do is to connect your broken iPhone into your PC with USB cable into the Phone Rescue app. Once you have connected your iPhone with the cable, the software will ask you which specific data you want to restore from your dead iPhone. So you have to basically select all of the data, whether you want videos, your pictures, your documents, your messages, your call logs. Select the data that you want and then select the restore button and then select the recover or restore the data button. And after that, all of your data will be restored or be fetched out from your broken iPhone and you can save it into your new phone. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.